Follow the steps on how to add an image border like this in Photoshop. Let's start by opening an image to be edited. Go to Image and select Canvas Size. Make sure the relative is checked and fill in the width and height. You can also choose the color here. And click OK. To save it, you can export it. And this is the result. Finished, and good luck. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.